Good morning, everyone. It is snowing. AKA snow should be like, oh dear God, you can just see it flying around. But yeah, it is like 6 a.m. here in Minneapolis, St. Paul. Well, if you just cross over the bridge, it'll be St. Paul, so Minneapolis. But yeah, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and I am outside, which was a long sleeve on and a pair of leggings and sandals, my California rainbows. Yeah, I am not a meteorologist, so I definitely cannot tell how many inches of snow, but check that out. Yeah, I'm thinking, oh, do you see that snow plow? So when I first moved to Illinois, I was like, a snow dozer. And then, yeah, thankfully I lived there first. Ooh, it's like flying towards me. It's so pretty. But yeah, it's true. It happened. I guess that's my confirmation. Look at that. Look at that. I can like make such a dork. So I'd never made like a snow angel my entire life. Like this can be a snow angel. Ooh, look, or maybe like a bird. Ah, a bird. Oh my gosh, I'm like slipping and sliding. How's that? Yeah. Does that look like it could be something? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, and it's still snowing, so happy early Thanksgiving to... Sorry. I kind of have like a brain chill. I'm gonna want to go in. Oh, but yeah, definitely check that out. Can you see the snow?